Phil Cohen on content and all things digital. Bruno Pupo is the National Sales Manager for LG in Canada. Now, why have I got the guy from LG in Canada? Because I just had the guy from LG, right? Because they're different. They're doing something that's a lot different. I'm not sure I buy into it. We're going to find out more. But you guys just aren't in the panel selling business.
Yeah, I think when I talk to customers, which our primary goal is to target the enterprise end user customers, my primary goal is to get them thinking that we're not a technology company, we are a marketing communications tool for their organization.
So wait a minute, so somebody in Canada wants to start a network. Joe's Auto Body Shops, 600 locations throughout Canada, they want to start a network. So they call one of the movers and shakers in Canada, like Mark Mantha or Lyle Bunn, and they say, hey, who's the guy I need to talk to set up this network? And they're going to tell them to call Bruno.
Yeah.
And you're going to talk to them about the whole kit and caboodle from start to finish.
Well, we first of all look at the needs analysis for the client. What is the message they're trying to convey? Who the target audience is? Involve the appropriate content developer. Folks like Saddle Ranch, who we often partner with, to come to the table and really conceptualize the message first. The technology piece is easy. It's been around for years. We execute and can deploy that seamlessly. That's what we can do for the client and not have that capability of worrying about it.
There's 4 or 5 steps, right? There's first, what's the objective? What's the mission?
Correct.
What's the message? Then there's the content. What's the best way to deliver the message? Then there's the software. What's the best way to deliver that content? And if necessary, get reporting. What kind of reports do we need?
Correct.
If it's ad supported, for example.
Correct.
And then there's the screen. What screen works best with that software to put that message out there?
And that's a good order, I think, from a client's project layout.
As long as I've been doing this, I better know the order.
It's unfortunate that a lot of mistakes are made by doing it the reverse. You pick your screen supplier, and then everything else is not as well focused on by the client, and that
my partners say to me about that? Don't smarten them up. See, because you smarten them up, you create competitors. Let them go do the screens first, work their way backwards, and then, hey, I don't know who they were, you know what I mean?
I always say
that's a joke, I'm kidding.
I always say the most expensive way of buying our product is buying someone else's first, and then coming to buy ours. The real cool thing about what we try to do for our clients is have them focus on the message and not how it gets delivered. That's something that we can take away and help them deliver on after the fact. The message is key. The relative message, or how contextually relative it is to their client, is really what's important. If they can focus more efforts in that area, then it will be more successful.
How does LG, this huge multinational company, let you and your team go off in a direction in Canada that's not the same direction as all the LG guys I talk to?
Well, I wouldn't say it's that much different. I think the goals and objectives of all the subsidiaries for digital signage practice mandated by Korea is the same: to execute a vertical market strategy targeting enterprise end user customers.
Okay.
Some have moved more quickly, some subsidiaries have moved more quickly. I've been fortunate enough to have many years of experience in the signage business. I was deploying signage when the screen choice was 300 pounds and a big 37-inch CRT. So
I was country when country wasn't cool.
So yeah.
But somebody's in the UK.
Yes.
Can they call their LG guys
Absolutely.
And have the same kind of a
absolutely
A to Z?
There's a digital
signage. The UK would be A to Z.
Correct.
All
and
right.
Canada too. It's A to Z.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
All right.
We are a British colony.
You know, they told me that when I went through customs going up to the... All right, good enough.
God bless.
I'm glad you came by.
Thank you.
Bruno,
Nice
thanks
to
a
you.
lot. Hey,
God bless.
I'm not done yet. I got some more coming out. All right, thank you.